In this beautiful country of secular existence, there exists a place where harmony among nature and man is witnessed readily. The land of salt, Mithapur. Malara, a village established amidst the vicinity of Tata Chemicals Limited in Mithapur, is unlike any average human establishment. It's a village with a difference.
The mission of Tata Chemicals is to serve society through science.
Tata Chemicals started its operation in Mithapur in 1939, and today we are the second largest manufacturer of soda ash in the world.
This small village is a perfect depiction of recreating nature with the aid of science, converting barren saline lands into a lush green belt.
This process generates about 300 to 400 kg of solids per ton of soda ash produced. The usual method of disposal is to a marine water body or piling up the solids on land. Long-term management of these piled up solids on land poses special challenges.
As a part of its solid waste management, industry stored the solid waste in a remote place called Malara. In those days, there is no community in the vicinity of that place. But over the years, communities started settling close to the Malara. Since the area is on the coastal side, because of the high winds and semi-arid conditions, the top layer of the solid waste always become dry, and even a little bit of wind speed, the dust rises from the surface and reaches the nearby community.
मेरा नाम है मनसुख लाल देव जी जेठवा है। हम जात का दर्जी हूँ। इधर 20 साल के रहता हूँ। पहले वो खाने में दूर पड़ता था, इधर कोई रहने में वो नहीं है।
वो बीमार पड़ता था, धूल उठकर खाने में जाता था।
यार हमारा छोकरा बहुत भूखा रहता।
Solid waste generated in the soda ash manufacturing processes are basically the inert materials of limestone. Chemically, they are saline and alkaline. No plant can survive with the support from these solid waste since they are saline and alkaline and high electrical conductivity.
Science is a byproduct of nature. We gave it a second thought. What if nature has to be the product? We turned to science again for the answer and collaborated with Terry.
When the team comprising Tata Chemical members and experts from Terry went around Okhamandal, we found out that in some of the natural locations already the plants are able to survive in these type of harsh conditions. When we analyzed the root systems of those plants, we found out some interesting bacteria supporting the plant to survive even in harsh conditions. We collected those samples, analyzed them in the laboratory, isolated those bacteria, multiplied them, cultured them, fed into the soil even before the plantation starts.
Our work on the Malara green caps represents our efforts of converting a highly saline and alkaline soil for growing vegetables using our knowledge of science.
So that's what we did. Tata Chemicals gave the earth back what man started taking away from it, only so that plantation, along with wildlife, could prevail with us in peace.
झाड़वा वावा पछी बहु नहीं उठ।
अभी वो झाड़ हो गया इसलिए फायदा हो गया। अभी दूर नहीं उठता है।
अभी कुछ शांति है, अभी कुछ होता नहीं है इधर।
We continue our growth alongside with the growth of our community.
Today, Malara Green Cap is a success story. An experiment which started with just 1 acre had spread to about 22.5 acre. Dust emission is a history. Greening of the entire white, lifeless, barren land is a reality.
It is strongly believed when man set foot on earth, it was the beginning of the end. But when we touched waste, we recreated nature. Tata Chemicals Limited, the human touch of chemistry.